Hey, hi guys. I recently saw a comment saying that this approach will not work and that covering the full syllabus is what really helps in the exams. I genuinely respect that opinion. I want to clarify a few important points so that there is no confusion about the intention of my video, okay? Alright. First, this approach is not a substitute for your full syllabus or main preparation. I strongly recommend you to study the complete syllabus in detail. Okay. What I am stating here is only an additional support. This is a support for your last 30 days. Right. Second, the main motive behind this series I'm doing is to help you to gain the confidence and secure your base marks. So many students feel blank or overwhelmed due to the revisions, okay? This approach is designed to give you clarity in important areas, improve your presentation and help more help you feel more confident inside the exam hall. So that is the motive behind this series and behind this analysis, etc. And the third, I don't want any student to lose an attempt just because of one subject. CA final is 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 tough, and sometimes even a single paper can pull you back, right? If this approach can help you score those extra mark and move forward in your journey, then it has served this purpose, okay? Served its purpose. That is what I'm trying to achieve. So please use this as a support tool along with your regular class, self-study, ICAI material. Combine everything smartly and make your preparation stronger. Okay. Thank you for your understanding and support. And let's continue working hard. And please leave your comments whether to continue this series or not. Kindly post it in the comment. Accordingly, we'll go further. Okay. Thank you so much.